So today we are going to a beach, and that too with a train. So this is the bus station, I mean the train station. We are going to go in and catch a train. तो हम जा रहे हैं हेलेंस बे फ्रॉम लैनियन प्लेस, ये स्टेशन का नाम है, और हमने रिटर्न टिकट ली अराउंड 6.5 पाउंड्स की पड़ी है हमें। लैनियन प्लेस से हेलेंस बे जाने के लिए हार्डली 20 मिनट लगते हैं।
Earlier we would have come now.
This place feels like it.
Very nice. You can find a very peaceful place over there.
Wow.
Many houses.
How far is the beach from here? Like
You have to
how
walk
much?
through, like for one kilometer.
Okay. Wow. Are we standing on the road? Wow.
तो vlogging फिर करते हैं।
So guys, I'm just going to turn the camera and show you. Where's the husky? Oh, he's sitting there only. He's coming somewhere. No, we'll go front. Oh, it's ice cold! Oh, it's ice cold. We'll go. Yeah. We'll go front, okay? Oh, okay. No, you have to stay here. Wow, it feels good though, huh? It does feel good. It's like therapy. Oh, it's like it's so cold. Go. Oh, I love those dogs, yeah. Bay Beach. So guys, we are here at a cafe. We enjoyed at the beach first, and now we are here. The view is absolutely amazing.
We started here.
Yeah, we came here. We came here. No, we came here. We saw it. We came inside ski hill, and we came here. Nice demonstration I gave. Like a vlogger. And हम वापस घर जा रहे. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.